This workout is called No Escape. It's going to be a 15-minute AMRAP of just bodyweight exercise. So complete as many rounds in 15 minutes of the following exercises. It's going to be 16 walking lunge steps, so 8 per side, 6 single leg hip bridges per side, and then 8 feet elevated push-ups. I'll show you what one round looks like now. So again, if you have a small space, like I'm doing this on an area rug, you're just gonna have to keep turning around. That's okay. You'll still get the benefit from doing the walking lunges. If you have more space to do all 16 in a row, go ahead and do that. But you can make this work without a lot of space. So 16 walking lunge steps. Then you're going to go 6 single leg hip bridges, really driving through the heel of that foot that's on the ground, trying to get your hips up as high as possible. You'll really feel this fire up the butt on the side that's pressing. So we're just going to 6 of these. I think I miscounted on that one, that might have been 7, but that's okay. Bonus. Again, 6 on the left side. Feet elevated hip bridges. Press through your heel. Try to get maximum height out of your hips. This is a good one, especially after walking lunges. It really hits the legs from all sides. And you'll find something to prop your feet up. And you're doing 8 feet elevated push-ups. So that's one round. You complete as many rounds like that in 15 minutes as possible. Again, if you don't have space to do 16 walking lunges in a row, just make it work in the space you have. If you really don't have a lot of space at all, you can substitute the walk and just do forward lunges like so. That's a great little hack just in case you really don't have a lot of space. So again, this workout's called No Escape.